near site quarter panel repair work around area prep with 500 discs. After apply scotch around area. After prep check all repair work filler over, then clean with water decrease around all area. After clean with solvent decrease, clean and check any shiny bit. If you see, apply some scotch to remove it. After start masking around repair area. Then apply masking bag around all car and check any hole on a bag so you can protect. Overspray. Work on offside door repair area. Masking. Applying H primer 1K on bare metal 1 coat. After apply 2K primer around 3 coat and check all repair area cover with the primer process.